Direct and inverse variations. Hello children. In our day-to-day life, we have seen many changes which are interdependable, like climate and temperature, etc. In this chapter, we will learn and study variation, which means when the change in one factor brings about the change in the related factor. For example, let's say xy is equal to 50. Now, if we put different value of x and y, like if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 25, or x is equal to 25 and y is equal to 2, the answer will be same. There are two forms of variations. Direct variation. Two quantities are said to be in direct variation if these two quantities increase or decrease together in the same ratio. For example, if the cost of one burger is rupees 50, then what would be the cost of 3 burgers? Would it be 150? Yes. Now see the table. With the help of this, we can find the cost of 6, 8 or even 10 burgers. We can see that as unit of the burger increases, cost also increases in such a manner that their ratio remains constant. Now children, we will learn about use of proportion. In previous classes, we have learnt about proportion. We know that proportion is a mathematical comparison between two numbers, or it is a type of ratio that relates a part to a whole. It is used to compare two ratios or make equivalent fractions. Four quantities are said to be in proportion if the ratio of the first and the second quantities is equal to the ratio of the third and the fourth quantities. Let us take an example. In the class of 20 male students and 80 female students, the total class size is 100 and the proportion of male student is 20% and proportion of female students is 80%. We can simply see that in both of these proportions, the size of the part of the class is being related to the size of the entire class. Proportions can be found in many real-life situations. Now children, we will learn and study inverse variation. When values of two variables change in an opposite manner, as one value increases, the other decreases, is called inverse variation. For example, a car traveling at 40 kilometers per hour can cover 40 kilometers in an hour. If the car's speed decreases to 20 kilometers per hour, it will take the car 2 hours to cover the same distance. In case of inverse variation, if the value of x is increased, then y decreases. If x decreases, the value of y increases. We can say that y varies inversely as the value of x. These were some examples of proportion in reference with variation and inverse. Now we will see an example to understand multiple ratio. We will try to understand it by taking an example. A special juice mixture contains mango, chiku and banana in the ratio of 2:3:5. If a packet of the mixture contains 50 ml of mango juice, what is the quantity of banana juice? Let the amount of banana juice be x. We will write the items in the ratio form. Amount of mango juice by amount of banana juice is equal to 2/5 is equal to 50 by x. On cross multiplying, we get 2 multiplied by x is equal to 250. 2x is equal to 250 or x is equal to 125. Hence, the mixture contains 125 ml of banana juice. Now we will study something about speed, time and distance. Speed is the distance traveled by a moving body per unit time. Its unit is kilometers per hour or meters per second. If a moving body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, then its speed is said to be uniform. If a moving body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, then its speed is said to be variable. So children, in this chapter, we learnt about various aspects of variation and its inverse. Hope you have understood the chapter.